Hello, my name is Ramya. I am working as the Master Makeup Trainer at Lakme Academy Chennai. Lifted fluffy eyebrows are very much trend right now. So let's just fix that with this hair fixing spray. I'm going to spray this on top of my spoolie, not directly on my brows because it will start burning and it is not recommended directly on the skin. So just required amount, and eyebrows வந்துட்டு நார்மலாக நீ groom பண்ணிட்டு just little by little உங்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு lift வேணுமோ அவ்வளோ மட்டும் நீங்கள் ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணிவிட்டு if you want we can also go second time. This will make your eyebrows little fluffier and it will look very nice. So can you see the difference? Okay. So after doing this, my eyebrows are looking way more fluffier and it is very well organized. These kind of looks you can do for your models, also for you if you're having very thin eyebrows, but make sure you do this step after grooming your eyebrows with the eyebrow product.